What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the another video. iOS 18.4 developer beta 2 is out. In today's video, I'm going to share how you can install the developer beta 2. Also, I will talk about should you install this update or not. So in another video, I will talk about what is new, but this video is not about what is new because I haven't installed this update. So without any further delay, let's start. First thing first, how you can install this update is quite simple. You need to go to settings, you need to go to journal, and then the software update. Over here from the beta updates, you need to select iOS 18 developer beta. And once you are in the iOS 18 developer beta, go back, you will see the update. And if you are on the public beta, iOS 18 public beta, you will not see the update. Public beta update might come today, later today, or maybe it come by tomorrow. But for now, it is not out. iOS 18.4 developer beta 2 is the only update that is out. Now the update size is about 1 gig as you can see, and the update size depends upon from which iOS version you are coming or you're using or which iPhone you are using. For sure there will be new things in this update, but I will talk about all those new things in another video. Now importantly, when I install the beta 1 and many of other people install the beta 1, most of things with the most common thing was the battery draining. Now many people are facing the battery draining in the beta 1, and in my every other video I said never install the beta 1 because it's the beta 1 that is quite obvious that it will contain lot of different bugs. So that is my suggestion for you guys to never install the beta 1. I will even suggest you never go for the developer beta 2. I will say just wait for the developer, just wait for the public beta 2. So a simple question, should you update to this version or not? So if you are on iOS 18.3.1, that is a public update available, do not update to the iOS 18.4 developer beta 2. But if you are someone like me who are using already iOS 18.4 developer beta 1, you can update to the developer beta 2. But if you're using public beta 1, I will suggest you to wait for the public beta 2. Do not rush and install the developer beta because developer beta is always something that contains bugs because it is an early access to the developers of the iOS. So yeah, this is all that iOS 18.4 beta 2 is out. Also, it adds the support of the iPhone 16e. So if you are already on iPhone 16e, you can sign up for the developer beta and you can install the update. So far I was using iOS 18.4 beta 1. Battery life was going decent. If I show you the battery life in the over here, let the stats load, there is battery draining going on and I'm not happy with that. But talking about the battery life is going decent. As you can see, I used around 90% of my device and I got 7 hours and 34 minutes screen on time, during which time I used TikTok, Facebook, browser and some other apps. As you can see, around the other day I used around 85% and this time I got 6 hours 28 minutes. Another day I used 100% of my battery life and I got 8 hours and 26 minutes screen on time, and this time it is like really good. So sometimes battery life is really good, sometimes it is decent. And if I show you another day where I used around like maybe you can consider it 80% and I got a very low screen on time. So sometimes it goes, sometimes it is bad. So from the beta 2 I'm expecting that these things will get fixed and it will give us a better battery life. Now with the beta 1, I was not happy with the Geekbase score. You guys know, if you follow me, if you have watched my previous videos, you guys will know that I was not happy with the beta 1 score. As you can see, the scores are quite low for the beta 1. Even after trying couple of tests, I'm not able to achieve the 18.3.1 scores. Scores are still lower than the 18.3 and the 18.3.1. So I really want that beta 2 will bring a better score. So yeah, this is what I am expecting from this beta 2 score. So right after this video, I'm going to install iOS 18.4 developer beta 2 and we will see, I will gonna check out what is new in this update, and I will come back with another video in which I will talk about what is new in the iOS 18.4 beta 2. But this is all from this video. I hope you like this video. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe. I was the but for beta 2. What's new video is also coming on the channel. So just a small simple video. Want to talk about that how you can install this update and should you update to this one or not. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Peace out.